कर भी नजदीक रखने वाला, सपनों को हकीकत में बदलने वाला, वो है इंडिया, लेकिन फॉरेन वाला।
Guess where we are today? Ta-da!
To see the Christmas lights,
Well, it's the festive season and we're out today to see some Christmas lights.
but with a little twist.
वैसे आज के हमारे जो होस्ट हैं उन्हें देखकर अच्छों की नज़रें झुक जाती हैं, तो चलिए मिलवाते हैं उनसे आपको।
नमस्ते, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, सत श्री अकाल, केम छो? मैं हूँ योहान और मैं हूँ आपका होस्ट। हाय, माय नेम इज अनन्या एंड आई एम योर होस्ट। ओह, मेरी क्रिसमस। What are your plans for Christmas? Having fun with friends, having a kitty party, having dinner with friends and families. What are your plans for Christmas? Anything but kitty parties. Hi, my name is Johan.
Hi, my name is Chintan.
Do you believe in Santa?
Yes, I do. For the kids, yeah.
How many reindeers does Santa?
There's 8 reindeers.
9?
What does Christmas mean to you?
Christmas to me means spending time with my family and eating lots of food.
Yes, to spend time with family. Joyful and lots of presents. Well, I love spending time with my family and having presents. Knock knock.
Who's that?
Mary.
Mary who?
Merry Christmas.
The same
Knock,
to you.
knock.
Thanks. Knock knock.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Donut.
Donut who?
Do not open your presents until Christmas.
Bilal.
Knock knock. Who's there? Mary. Merry Christmas. Dan, this was my line. Oh, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, okay? Merry Christmas. What do you say, Thank you for your time and enjoy your Christmas.
Thank you too. Merry Christmas.
Keep watching Formula India, guys.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Mary.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, तेरी. Well, मेरी भी Christmas. I think kids did such a fantastic job, man, today.
Yeah,
I think हमारी job जो एक थी वो भी चली गई.
exactly.
Well, it's all about Christmas this time. It's the time of the year, time to be festive, time to see the Christmas lights. So we're exactly at the right place today.
Merry Christmas, guys.
And a Happy New Year. Welcome to Pehchan Con section. This time we thought, who could be a better guest than Santa himself? We've got more than one Santa for you today. So join me in welcoming the team behind Let's Feed organization. We've got today with us Jasvinder, Madhav, Banaj and Ritesh. Thank you so much for being on our show, Foreign Wala India, guys.
Thank you for having us. Thank you.
Thank you.
So Jasvinder, I'm going to ask you the first question, being the founder of Let's Feed. What made you come up with such a brilliant cause, and what sort of support did you have when you first started?
The Let's Feed Foundation goes back many years. It started as an extension of Langar, because I was on the committee of a Gurudwara, Sikh temple, and after the Gurdwara support, I also got some support from the temple, because even in the Hindu religion, Annadan, it is said Annadan is Mahadan. So it started many years ago, and I started individually, and there other people joined. But 2-3 years ago, we started a major project such as Breakfast Club, feeding the homeless and raising uncooked food. And then Ritesh and Banaj and Madhav, they joined, and many other basically, and then we founded Let's Feed. So to summarize my answer and to say in simple words, the idea basically originated from the Sikhism and Hinduism, where food donation is considered as a great cause basically.
So my next question is for you, Banaj. Now, as a team member, do you think you have enough volunteers and supporters to reach your goals? And if not, can you tell our Foreign Wala Indians how can they help and be more supportive?
We do have enough volunteers always to help us because it's always a good cause. And I would always say, if anybody is keen to volunteer, to support us, to donate, to be a very team core member, keep an eye on our Facebook page, because for every single project we do, we always create an event. So that's the best way to keep an eye on which events coming up. We always share the event as well in the local community page. We tag every single volunteer, and we also tell our volunteers to share on their page. This way we can reach more people. We've also had media support, like Namaste Australia always help us sharing them, and they have 1,500 members. So this helps a lot. People do messages saying we want to volunteer, we want to donate. So I think always keep an eye, and we're always creating events for every single project. Thank you.
That's absolutely brilliant. Thanks for that, Banaj. Now, what made you join the cause?
Well, I believe in social good. And social good, the concept of social good is giving out benefits or handing out benefits to people or contributing to society through benefits. And the work that Let's Feed does is focused at helping the disadvantaged in society. There are multiple ways in which you can help the disadvantaged. Remember, the disadvantaged are people like you and me. So when we look at ways of how to help disadvantaged, I felt that Let's Feed was actually rightly filling that gap. They were reaching out to the homeless people. They were reaching out to school kids. They were reaching out to people who were looking for food. So that was one of the good things that I saw in Let's Feed, and that's how I got involved in Let's Feed. Thank you.
That's absolutely brilliant. Thanks for that. So my next question is for you, Mother. We all know that you have a big contribution towards projects for homeless people. Now, can you tell our audiences about your experiences?
Yes, it's a very satisfying thing, like donating food to the homeless people. The people from the community, they cook. It's a freshly cooked food on the same day, about 20 to 30 takeaway containers, and we pick up the containers and we donate in the CBD to the homeless people. And if anyone wants to donate, like for coming donation events, they can check our Facebook. We will be doing every fortnight in the CBD along with the other organizations. Thank you.
That's fantastic. Thanks for that, Mother. So coming back to you, Jaswinder, we all know about the Breakfast Club. That was a fantastic initiative. Can you please elaborate on that?
Yes, the Breakfast Club was the first program which Let's Feed started. About 4 or 5 years ago, my interactions with the school principals, local mayors and other people, basically we discovered astonishing fact that in primary schools in Victoria, almost 1 out of 7 school children are going to school without food. And this is the data of Victorian government. At that stage, obviously, we did not know that this number is that big. So we started with one school, and we asked the school, we had a meeting with the school, and we established it with bread, jam, butter, or whatever the items the school was needing. And since then, the Breakfast Club has expanded to more than 20 schools. So we serve 1,200 school children, 2 meals per week, and in total there are 10,000 meals in a month. And the good thing is that the Victorian government has also adopted our model, and they are now serving across 500 schools, 25,000 school children. So that's, I think, one of the biggest contributions of Let's Feed to the society.
Wow. Finally, a question for you, Ritesh. Do you have any parting thoughts?
Thank you. Yes, I'd like to actually start by thanking our volunteers and donors actually donors more than the volunteers. I've always said power to the donors. One more thing that I'd like to add in closing thoughts is everyone can take small steps. We shouldn't wait for other people to take steps, because if everyone takes small steps, collectively we can achieve bigger good in the society. Thank you very much.
So a big salute to you guys for taking such a big initiative to support the community that we live in. Now the Project Gods would love to get involved as much as possible. So thank you so much for being on our show.
Thank you very much, Project Gods, and we wish you good luck too.
Cheers.
Season's greetings. Thanks very much.
Thank you. Thank you for making our communities better, guys. Now, if you're watching this, the link to Let's Feed is just down under. Make sure you join the page for updates. Hello one, how doing?
यार हम यहाँ पे फूड सेक्शन होस्ट करने आए हैं, आप तो वर्ड खा रहे हो।
वैसे छोड़ा बड़ा स्मार्ट है तू।
ये आपने पहली बार सही बात कही है। चलो यार कुछ खाते हैं, भूख लग रही है।
खाना तो खा लेंगे, पर आज एक छोटा सा ट्विस्ट है। आज के बाद हम खाना कभी अकेले नहीं खाएंगे।
What do you mean by that?
आज के बाद फ्रॉम दिस एपिसोड ऑनवर्ड्स हमारे ऑडियंसेस बनेंगे हमारे गेस्ट। और ये कैसे बनेंगे, इसके लिए आपको ये पूरा सेक्शन देखना पड़ेगा। अरे बाबा, वी गिविंग आवर ऑडियंसेस अ चांस टू डाइन विद अस फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड ऑनवर्ड्स। तुम अपने मैनर्स मत भूलना।
हाँ, सारे मैनर्स तो आप में है ना।
कोई शक? सो यू ऑल नो दैट वी आर हियर एट पांडूज, जिनकी स्पेशलिटी तो है इंडो चाइनीज़, पर यहाँ पे उसके अलावा भी बहुत कुछ मिलता है। जैसे कि बिरयानी फॉर वेजिटेरियन एंड नॉन वेजिटेरियन दोनों के लिए यहाँ पे दम बिरयानी मिलती है।
और आई हर्ड यहाँ पे साउथ इंडियन डिशेस भी बहुत अच्छी हैं।
बहुत ही अच्छी।
तो वाई वेट, गेस्ट से मिलवाओ यार।
चलो मिलते हैं। So thank you for being on our show, Foreign Wala India, Priyanka and Anish. Besides being hungry, how are you feeling right now?
Well, thank you for calling us. It's a pleasure to be here. We are really happy to be here, being a part of this series. And thank you, Alpana and Nitin, for calling us here. And we just can't wait to try the Pandu's food here.
दोस्तों बातें बहुत होगी, बहुत भूख लग रही है. Let's order something now.
So guys, let's not hold your breath anymore and order some food.
So guys, what's your most favorite dish?
Chicken dum biryani.
Indo-Chinese में butter garlic noodles.
और अगर वो आप दोनों को यहाँ ये दोनों डिश मिल जाए तो
मैं तो स्मेल करके ही बता दूंगी कि वो कौन सी डिश है।
और मैं सिर्फ खा के ही बता सकता हूँ कैसी होगी।
So why not let's play a game? So guys, food is here. Let's start eating. यार इतना सब कुछ खा लिया, अब तो बता दो कि खाना लगा कैसा है यार।
दोस्त चिकन दम बिरयानी ने तो दम निकाल दिया, हर एक चीज़ का फ्लेवर था। It was so good. Thank you so much. Thank you to you both for inviting us. It was amazing. The food was amazing.
So Priyanka, what's your take?
To be very honest, I'm a vegetarian and I have very limited options. यहाँ पे हर चीज़ का ऑप्शन है। The battered garlic noodles is just like what I had back in India. It is absolutely amazing. अभी मैंने जितने भी Indo-Chinese अभी तक मेलबर्न में ट्राई किए, this is so far the best butter garlic noodles that I have ever had. And talk about the vegetable biryani. It's amazing, and also the fried rice, Manchurian. They have so many vegetarian options. I think I just loved it, and I'm so fulfilled right now.
Thank you, Foreign Wala India, for inviting us. Thank you, Alpana. Thank you, Nitin.
For the lovely food.
Thank you guys. Thank you for joining us.
So guys, Pandu's was super hit. I recommend all you foreign wala Indians to come out here and try the food.
It's located on 351 Barclay Street, Footscray.
Now guys, Pandu's do not advertise as much as the other restaurants do because they believe the quality of their food drives people here through word of mouth. And we're not just promoting this because they're our sponsors. To be honest, I'm personally a big fan. Even on my 20th birthday, I actually had the food catered from Pandu's.
क्या दोबारा से बताना 20th birthday.
इसको कोई लेके जाओ यार. चलो भी जाके प्रशांत से बात करते हैं. So let's talk to Prashant, the man behind Pandu's. Welcome to our show, Foreign Wala India, Prashant.
Thanks, ma'am. Thanks for coming and welcome to Pandu's.
Thank you. Now, Prashant, can you tell our audiences how did the name Pandu originate?
Pandu is actually my nickname, and normally Pandu in the sense in our language, in Telugu language, it's fruit. So that's how it comes from.
Okay, that's great. That's fascinating. So, Prashant, tell me, there are so many Indian restaurants on the same street as you are, on Barclay Street. What makes you different compared to the other ones?
So obviously, the Indo-Chinese cuisine, it's very unique and you couldn't find anywhere in Melbourne. I think we are the only Indo-Chinese cuisine in Melbourne, all over Melbourne.
I can vouch for that. I've been eating it for many, many years.
Yeah.
So, look, talking about that, can you talk us through your journey? Because I know you've been around for a very long time. Can you tell our audiences how did this all come along?
Actually, I nearly have 12 years of experience in this industry. I started from my almost my teenage, and then I started my own restaurant in India. So that's how I'm more passionate towards the food industry. And then as soon as I came to Australia, so I just started within a year. In 2009, we started in Barclay Street, and then come from there, and then again we shifted to Barclay Street, and then we're still going on. It's going good.
I remember that because I've been eating from that time. Yeah. So, Prashant, one last question. I'm sure everything on the menu is fantastic, but being the owner chef of the restaurant, what would you recommend our audiences?
Obviously, it's Indo-Chinese cuisine, Indo-Chinese dishes and all. But we just started pot biryanis now, and we are particularly most specialized in Indian pot biryanis. We make the biryanis in the pot itself, the clay pot. We specially get those pots from India, and then we make individual portions in clay pot itself. We do it from scratch.
So it's like dum biryani.
Yeah, it's a dum biryani.
So thank you for being on our show, Prashant.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks for coming.
So guys, it's a must-try restaurant and you might get lucky as well.
भाई खाना खाने से लकी कोई कैसे बनता है ये तो बता.
यार सिंपल है. पांडुज आओ, खाना खाओ, वीडियो बनाओ, अपलोड करो और प्रोजेक्ट गॉड्स के पेज पे शेयर करो. बस फिर थोड़ी सी वेट करो.
So we'll hopefully see you next time.
हर सुबह हम ये काम करते हैं, मशीन सी ज़िंदगी की शुरुआत करते हैं. हर एक दिन मशीन में सेट है क्योंकि हर एक महीने बड़ा सा डेट है. एक सुबह ये सब भूलना चाहते हैं, लंबे सफ़र पे अपनों का साथ चाहते हैं, पुराने रास्ते पे मंजिल अनजान चाहते हैं. जहाँ हर सफ़र की कोई नई कहानी हो, कुछ नए लोग और यादें सुहानी हो. फिर जुड़ेंगी कुछ नई यादें उस पुरानी ज़िंदगी से, जहाँ बचपन जवान था और मुस्कुराहट आबाद थी.
नितिन यार रोड ट्रिप पे चलते हैं.
क्या
यार पक गई हैं यार, रोज ऑफिस से घर, घर से ऑफिस. लेट्स गो मैन.
यार एकदम से कैसे? मीटिंग पे कौन जाएगा?
चलता है यार, कौन सा हर बारी कैंसिल करते हैं. चल 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 चल.
यार हमें प्लान करना पड़ता है, ऐसे नहीं जा सकते हम सीधा.
कम ऑन यार, निकलना.
यार अपना, थैंक यू फॉर दिस, सच एन अमेजिंग प्लेस. इसका नाम क्या है?
फाइनली उन्हें एक्नॉलेज कर लिया.
आई नो.
इस जगह का नाम वैसे है Anglesey River Bank. This comes on the way to the Great Ocean Road. Yeah, the whole point of showing you this, Nitin, is there are a lot of audiences out there who don't really know, what the hidden hideouts are on the way to the Great Ocean Road. लोगों को ये लगता है कि Great Ocean Road यार 10 बारी गए हुए हैं, but there are so many hidden hideouts, you'll be surprised. And this is a long list of the places you can stop in between on your way to the Great Ocean Road. These are all the hideouts. Now, Nitin, do you want to tell our audiences where we got this information from?
Yes, there's an information desk just at the back. So guys, when you are coming to Great Ocean Road, इतने सारे hideouts हैं रास्ते में, तो उसकी information आपको ऐसे हर small town में जितने भी information desk है वहाँ से मिल सकती है.
So make sure you stop in between and explore.
Exactly. This is the song.
Are you serious? यार रोड ट्रिप पे आ यार, कुछ जिस पंप पे डाल, कुछ अच्छा लगा यार. Come on यार. That's more like it.
Road trip with her is not that much fun.
Whatever.
So guys, after a bit of traveling, we are here at this Lawn Vista Center and we get to know so much about Great Ocean Road.
Now look, Great Ocean Road generally is a mecca for all the travelers. But what many people don't know is how did Great Ocean Road actually came along.
Exactly.
So Great Ocean Road is a memorial to the lost lives of the Australian diggers in the World War I. So they've got a little museum inside. How about we take a sneak peek?
So guys, we are here at our final destination and that is...
ये क्या था?
यार मैं holiday mood में आ गया हूँ थोड़ा सा.
Anyway, so we are here at the Aries Inlet Lighthouse. Stay tuned.
यार मज़ा आ गया आज तो यार.
Absolutely, man. What a perfect way to end the trip. Coffee and scones by the lighthouse.
Thank you for this spontaneous trip यार. Thank you Alpana.
No problem, man. Sometimes having no plan is the best plan.
Yo people, what's up? What's happening bro? यार तुम सोच रहे हो कि यार मैं ऐसे क्यों बिहेव कर रहा हूँ. मैं आया हूँ आज ये थोड़े से यंगस्टर इवेंट पे, War of DJs. Do you guys heard about it? Yes, War of DJs. War of DJs are the battle of the Babs. इसमें इतने सारे DJs हैं जो फाइट करेंगे कि कौन आपको नचा सकता है अपनी बीट्स के ऊपर. So let's ask people what's their take on War of DJs. I'm super excited. So let's go up and ask people. Hi guys, welcome to our show Foreign Wala India. How are you all?
Very good.
Thank you.
Having a really good night at War of the DJs, Pandora Club, of course.
Yeah. So what's your take on War of DJs? What do you think about this event?
It's quite interesting. It's a new concept.
Really great. It's something different for the South Asian event, like it's a good thing that like most of the newcomers didn't get the opportunity to like DJ in front of like a massive crowd like this. So yeah.
So do you have any favorite DJs tonight?
Rob is one of my favorite as well. He hasn't played yet, and Ankit and Ari, of course. I've got Tarun here, and there's a lot of other DJs, Jazzy and KJ, and I've forgotten a few names, but of course there's amazing DJs out here. So the night's actually going so far very good, but I guess the results will tell.
Yeah, exactly. The result will tell. Thank you for your time, guys. Thank you. Enjoy yourself.
It's a very different concept. I think it's going to be a good concept. Opens a lot of opportunities for a lot of new DJs to come in.
It's a very good thing that DJ will get that platform, like which they want, like to go ahead. Like if one DJ wins it, he will excel. Obviously, he will excel in everything and everything.
Board of DJs, so far it's been so good. We've got another couple of contestants to do the performance. I think Rob's doing good, Jazzy's done well, another one Shona's done well too. So let's see how the audience actually voted them, and then we'll come up to the results. And yeah, so far so good.
So I heard you organizing one event as well.
We are doing this New Year's Eve on 31st of December on the Spirit Station Pier on number 6 Waterfront Place, Port Melbourne.
How are you, Samir?
I am enjoying. I'm doing really good.
That's fantastic. Good to see you. Now, Sam, what's your take on Bollywood Night in Melbourne?
Bollywood Night in Melbourne is absolutely fun, entertainment, dance, music, and good times.
Fantastic. What's your take on Bollywood Night in Melbourne?
We just and I'm glad that friends like you have taken the initiative to actually promote Bollywood nights in Melbourne. I'm looking forward to it and much more of it in the future.
Fantastic. Have a good time. Thanks. Hi guys.
Hello. Hi.
What's your name?
Jeremy.
Hello guys. Are you having a good time?
Excellent.
Fantastic. So I've got two questions for you. First one, what's your take on Bollywood Night in Melbourne?
It's amazing actually. It's good to have a bit of an Indian flavor in Melbourne. When everyone's doing Western music, feel a bit of back home and out here.
Fantastic, same. And how about yourself?
Yeah, it's really nice. It's the first time, but I really feel like, oh, I'm back in India. So it's really good.
Now answer a question for you. What's your New Year's resolution?
Alright, I'll start gymming. I think that's the first time. And I think I will get to do more of this. We haven't done this much. Bollywood Night.
And spend more time with me.
That's yours.
Yeah.
Hey, you should do that as your main resolution.
You get the hint, yeah? Yes. Alright, have a good time, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed watching our third episode.
And if you haven't liked our page, to subscribe, the link is just down
under. So keep watching Foreign Wala India. चलो उठाते हैं इसको. बोलना गेस्ट बेबी आ. यू सेइंग गेस्ट बेबी आ.
You start. अभी बात नहीं थी कि आप बोल रहे हो.
उससे बोला था तू फर्स्ट, फिर मैं मिडिल.
नहीं, मैं फर्स्ट बोल रहा हूँ.
Hello, namaste.
No, not that.
I'm Ananya and I'm your host.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Mary.
Who's Mary? Sorry. So we are here at our final destination, and that is.
Ta-da! To see the Christmas lights.
It was about me to say that.
I don't know. चलो खाना खाएं.
Okay, sorry.